So let's start today's class. Are you all ready now? So do you all have concept about time, right? You all have heard that time every time ma'am or mama is saying, get up, it's time to go to school, get up, it's time to study, get up, right? Time, every time you have to get this word time. So what is time? What is time? Yes, who can say what is time? Anybody, any idea? Is the duration of anything, a period, a schedule, whatever you can say. Time is giving us a plan. Okay, so we can check the time, and time is not unlimited, it is limited. You will not get enough time that you will think, today I will not do, today I will not study, mama, tomorrow I will study. So you may think like that, no? Today I will not study, tomorrow I will study. There is so much time. No, time is always running faster than you. So we have to be on time. We have to be on time. We have to go with time. If you are left behind, then you are left behind forever. Okay, so you have to be on time. That is called punctuality. You have to be punctual. Clear? Clear, Dian? So today,
yes, ma'am.
Are you getting my voice? My voice is clear. It's not cracking. I hope so. Is it cracking? My voice is cracking.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So today we are going to learn about time. I will draw the time clock. So let me share the screen first. You all can see?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So first thing today, we are going to learn about how to watch time. When you will see the watch, how you will see the time. Suppose your mama or papa is asking you, please tell me what time is now. What is the time? That time you don't say, I don't know how to watch the time. So today you will learn how to see the time and then write it. I will teach you how to watch the time. So do you all know the table of 5?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Diya,
ma'am.
do you know the table of 5?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Then if you know the table of 5, then to watch time it's very, very easy. How? What is the relation of time with table of 5? Funny thing. What is the relation of table with time? Yes, Rudrakshi?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell.
ma'am, every period of time
Yes.
is multiplied into 5.
Multiplied into? Yes, every
5.
division.
Why?
Every division is divided into 5 parts. Okay. And there are 12 divisions. We have seen a watch. So let me draw a watch. Who is drawing that watch? So let me draw the watch, okay? See, I'm not so good in drawing, but then you adjust with me. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And here you will see small 4 lines are there. Have you seen that in your watch?
Yes, ma'am.
4 lines are there, and this is the
Yes.
yes. Now, clear? So this is our watch, okay? And this is our clock. And in this clock, we will draw today 2 hands. There are 3 hands in a clock, okay? What are the 3 hands? One is called hour hand. Our hand is small hand, okay? Our hand is the small hand. Our hand is also called the small hand. And there is minute hand. Minute hand is called the big hand. Without hand, a clock will not show the time. So you need the hand, okay? Like without your hand, can you write something? Without your hand, you can't do anything. Same thing, when you want to see the time, you have to see the hands and then only you can check the timing. Clear? Now, our clock is a circle one. This is called circle and the side part is called the circumference. Okay. Now, there are 12 division. 12 parts are there and each part is 5. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From here it will start 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 30, like this full when you will go around till here it will be 60. Like this you count it, okay, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, here it is 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. This 12 is 60. Clear? So each is 5 division. 5 division. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why we are saying that we need the table of 5. 12 into 5, that is 60. 12 parts are there and each part is divided into 5. So that's why we are saying that we need the table of 5. Why? Because suppose now, when the big hand, suppose the big hand is here. Big hand is showing you the minute part. So whenever we write time, there are 2 parts to write the time. What are the 2 parts? First part will be what? Hour, something hour, and then the second part will be the minute. So first part will be hour and second part will be minute. So always remember the big hand. The big hand is the minute part. And the small hand. Now the small hand will be the hour part. Clear? Are you getting? If you are not getting, then you tell me. I will repeat. Okay. So how you will learn now? So 5 table, how to use? 5 into 1. This is 1. So 5 into 1, 5. So whenever the big hand, the minute clock, the minute hand is at 1, you will count 5 into 1. That is 5. Then if the big hand is at 2, so 5 into 2, 10. Big hand is at 3, that means 5 into 3. So whenever, suppose the big hand is here, so how you will understand what is the number here? What is the minute here? How you will understand? You will do the table of 5. 5 into 3, that is 15. So 5 into 4, 5 into 4 is 20. 5 into 5, 25. 5 into 6, that is 30. 5 into 7, 35. 5 into 8, 40. 5 into 9, 45. 5 into 10, 50. 5 into 11, 55. And 5 into 12, 60. Clear? So let's start. Let's start how to write the time. If you have understand this one, then now I will show you how to see the time. So big hand, small hand. Clear? So big hand for what? Minute or hour? Who can say big hand? Big
Minute.
Yes?
Hand is for minute.
Big hand is for
Minute.
minute. Yes, big hand is for minute. And small hand is for hour.
Hour.
Correct?
Hour.
Now, whenever the big hand is at 12, now I don't have a scale here. So whenever the big hand is at 12 and small hand is at any number, so that time what you will say? It is 60. So
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock. You will say like this. You will say 4 o'clock because we will take this one as 0, 0. Okay. So we will write down 4 o'clock. Now, every time we will not get 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock like that. Correct? So, what you can get different types of numbers. For example, suppose your big hand is at wait. Big hand is at 3 and small hand is at here at 6. So what is the time now?
Teacher 3.
No. Small hand is hour and big hand
6.
minute. So what's your answer?
Ma'am, 6. 6. Ma'am.
Now what you will do whenever you see the small hand, okay? So the small hand, no, it can be between, means here also. Suppose it means when the clock is moving, no, you will get bit tilted, not fully between, means not you will not get straight at 6. You can get between 6 and 7. So always take the before number 6. So where is your hour hand? Hour hand is between 6 and 7. So you will take 6. 6 hour. And minute hand. Now only I taught you, Vihan. It is at 3. So you will do the table of 5. 3 into 5 is how much?
15.
Yes. So your minute will be 15. So your answer is 6:15. Your time is 6:15. Clear? Your time is 6:15. One more example. You check. I will show you all many examples. You just see. Okay. Then you will understand. 6:15. For that, you need to understand the table of 5. Now, suppose your big hand is at, and don't forget that big hand means what? Minute hand. Big hand is minute hand and small hand is between 1 and 2. So, whenever the small hand between 1 and 2, always take the before number or number. So hour clock and minute clock, what is your hour answer? 1 and 1. Hour is
1:45.
Very good. Understood? So minute, what I have done? I have done 5 into 9, that is 45. Clear? Understood? Now you can watch the time.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I will ask each and every one. Okay? I will ask everyone. Let's see who understood now. How to watch the time. If you are clear with this one, then I will show you when we have to say quarter past, when we have to say quarter to, when we have to say half past. I will tell you afterward. Okay? But first I want to see this one. So let's start. Okay, one by one I will ask. First I'll start with Shreya. Where is Shreya? Shreya, don't switch off your video. Switch on. The small hand is between, small hand, that is the hour hand. Hour hand is between 10 and 11. And the big hand is at, wait, my hand is going good way.
Okay.
Okay? Suppose it's at 4. Okay, 4. Now it can be on here also. So suppose the hand is here, here, or here. So 4 we know it is 20. So you count 21, 22, 23, 24 like this also you can count it. I'll show you that also. So this is your minute hand. Now our minute hand. So tell me the answer. Hour hand and minute hand answer. Shreya?
Ma'am, 10, ma'am, 10, 20.
Who is Shreya? Who is Shreya? Some boy is Shreya. Some boy, I heard the answer from someone. Okay, tell me who wants to give the answer. Riyani wants to give the answer. Rudrakshi, you want to give? Tell me, Rudrakshi. What's the answer?
Ma'am, 10, 20.
10 and it's at 4. So 4 into 5, that is 20. So 10, 20 is the time. It's very easy. Now you all can watch time easily, correct? Okay, let me ask someone else. Who want to answer now? Anish, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start. Small hand is at 8 and big hand is at 1. So what's your hour and minute?
Ma'am, 8. Ma'am, 8, 5.
8505. You write down only 2 digits, okay? Minute place, write down 2 digits, 05, okay? And 8, 2 digits. Why? Because I will show you for 12 hours and 24 hours, okay? There is a clock like this, so I will show you that also. So why we need to write 08? To make you understand this is AM or PM. So with 12 hour and this 24 hour, I will show you AM and PM afterward now. So let me check first. So 85, very good. Okay. Who else want to answer? Vian, do you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me. Small hand is at 3. Okay. And the big hand is at center here in this one.
Okay. 2 then 2
2, why 2? It's at 3.
because
3.
no it is
355.
no 2 57 257
Yes, it will be 257. Why 257, Vian?
because
Not
it is at the
it is
2
coming
it
to
will
3. It's
yeah
going to be 3, okay? It's going to be 3. If it is 357, then your clock hand, the small hand, it should be
at 4 means
not at
little
4,
bit before 4
little bit
before 4
Yes, little bit before. That means 3 minutes is left to become 4 o'clock. Okay. So 3 minutes is left to become 4 o'clock. Correct? So that's why that was 257. Clear? Why it is 257? So you have to see not only the minute hand, you have to check the hour hand also. Because the hour hand, no, once it is at, suppose once it is at 12 and this one is at 2, it is 2 o'clock, correct. Now, when it starts moving, no, the minute hand starts moving, the hour hand also starts to move slowly. Okay, so when this will come, this big hand, that minute hand, it will come to 4 or 5 like this. You will see there is a change of hour hand place. It will come like this, it will come in the center. So, because it is going 3, no? It is going to be 3. That's why the hour hand is also changing place slowly. Because once this minute hand, it will take a full 60-minute round. That time, this 1 hour, it will change 2 to 3. Clear? So when the minute hand, it will go one full circle. That is 60 minutes. We know 1 hour equals to 60 minutes. So this all are minute. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, like this. 60 minutes are there. These all are minutes. Okay, these all are minutes. These lines are for minutes. These lines are for minutes. So there are 60 lines are there. See, small 60 lines are there. Now only we have done 5 into 12, 60. So 60 lines are there. Each line is 1 minute. So the minute hand is taking round a full round of 60 minutes. Minute hand goes full round of 60 minutes. Clear? 60 minutes, that means when the minute hand takes full round of 60 minutes, that time your hour hand change from 1 hour to a next hour. Right? When your minute hand, this big hand, it is going around like this full, that time your small hand will change from this position to the second position. Right? Shrestha, are you getting it? Sure? So, in this way, we have to see the time. Now I will tell you how to check time. For example, see the clock is here. Now I will tell you what is quarter past, quarter to, and half past. Ready? So till here it is very easy to see the normal time. Like this you will say. Now suppose I want to say our big hand quarter past. Always remember quarter past is used for your clock is divided into 4 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. This part till 3 we are using quarter past, and from this part from 9 to 12 we will use quarter to. Vian, are you getting Vian? So quarter to from
No, ma'am.
you are not getting the before one you have understood. See the time you have understood.
Yeah, seeing the time I have understood, but what this is your thing I can't understand.
Yes, now you understand. Okay, now you try to understand. We sometimes say no. Suppose the clock big hand is at 3. Suppose the clock big hand is at 3 or this side. Not only 3, we can take half side also. Till here you can say. Suppose your big hand is at 3 and your small hand is at or between 5 and 6. So you can say 5:15. Correct? 5:15 because you will take the before number. You can say 5:15. But you can say this also. Quarter past. Quarter means 15 minutes. Past means finish. From 12, when you have started 3 o'clock or 5 o'clock, when you have started 5 o'clock, your 15 minute has passed. Means you have already covered this 15 minute. Finish, that 15 minute has passed. That's why we say quarter past. You can say 5:15, you can say 5:15 or you can say quarter past 15, quarter past 5. You can say quarter past 5. That means quarter past 5 means, quarter means what? 15 minutes. So 15 minutes is over. 15 minutes is over. To the time of 5 means 5, quarter past 5. That means 15 minutes is over. 5:15. Clear? Tell me who.
Clear.
If it is not clear, please tell me. I'll send you one more link, okay? So always remember quarter means what? Quarter means 15 minutes. When you will say just quarter means 15. Now I will say, suppose quarter past 2. So what is the time? You can say quarter past 2. What is the time?
2:15.
2:15. Very good. Quarter past 2 means 2:15. Because quarter past means your big hand is at 3. Quarter past, quarter means this much is a quarter. Okay. There are 4 quarters. In a clock, there are 4 parts. I have shown you 1, 2, 3, 4. So this part is for quarter past, quarter, and this is quarter 2. Quarter 2 means when your answer is suppose in 45. That time we say quarter 2 means this much is going, 15 minutes is left to the next number. Okay. Now your time is 2:45. After 15 minutes, your time will be 3 o'clock. So that time we can say 2:45, or we can say quarter to 3 means 2:45. 2:45. This side is your. Don't get confused. If you are confused, then tell me. Okay. Suppose your big hand is at 9. Okay. So after 15 minutes, this is 15 minutes. Why 15? Because 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15 now. 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. That's why we say quarter means 15 minutes. So 15 minutes after, 15 minutes 2 means after 15 minutes your time will change. Now your small hand is at 4 and 5, in between 4 and 5. So after 15 minutes, what will be your time? 5 o'clock. When the big hand will move to 12, after 15 minutes, your 5, this hour hand, it will come to 5. Yes or no? Your hour hand will come to 5 because both will move, no? And they all move in clockwise. So this will move this side and this will move this side. So this hand will come here at 5, and this big hand, it will go at here. So we can say this time as 4:45 because it is between 4 and 5. So we will take 4. Okay, 4:45 you can say. 4 into 5, that is 4 into 5 into 9, that is 45. 4:45. Or what we can say, another way, what we can say, Shoham? 4:45, or we can say what? Quarter to. Tell me. After 15 minutes, quarter to, it will become what? After 4, it will become what? Quarter to 5. Correct? It will become quarter to 5. Clear? Not clear. I don't think so it is clear with you all.
Ma'am, clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Please, clear, just tell me, okay? Then I'll tell you. Okay, I'll show you. 1 second, wait. I'll show you then, because this is very important. So you have to understand it. If it is not clear, you tell me, okay? See, simple timing, normal timing, if you want to write hour and minute, in general, you can write down as usual. Normal way, you just see where is your small hand and you just see where is your big hand. So big hand, you see here this one, the small hand is between 1 and 2. So what will take? The before number, 1 and 2. So you will take before number. So our hand, it is going 1. And the big hand is where? Just see, the big hand is here. So if it is 40, then this is 41, this is 42, this is 43. So you can write down 143. Correct? You can write down 143. Now, we generally, you will see, we generally say after the big hand crosses or comes to 9, the big hand comes to 9, we don't use like this. We don't say 2:45 or 1:45. Like this, we don't say. Now, this is between where? 1 and 2. The small hand is between 1 and 2. So we will take 1 and 9 means 45, isn't it? So 1:45 is your answer. So this one, 1:45, you can say 1:45 or you can say
13:45.
no,
I think so.
1:45 or you can say left to 2 means after 15 minutes it will become 2. So you can say quarter to 2. 1:45 is same as quarter to 2. We say no in Hindi means like pone 2 baja hai, pone 2 baje, like this we say no, pone 2. That means after 15 minutes be 2. Means after 15 minutes the time will be 2. So we say, or we can say quarter. Now this side quarter to we are saying in this side. Now quarter past we will say for this side. Just this much you have to remember. Quarter to means this side, quarter past means this side. Clear? So 3 clear?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is not clear, then tell me, Rudrakshi.
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Prashta?
Yes, ma'am, it is clear.
Yes, because quarter we use this side and quarter past we use this side. Now we will see what is half past. Half past means when your big hand is at and your small hand between
30
any,
minutes.
it can be here also between 2 and 3. So your small hand is between 2 and 3. So you write down hour is 2 and minute you will say 30, right? 2:30. 30. So you can say, or you can say half past 2. Half past means this is full half, no? 2 quarters, half. This is 1 quarter, 2 quarter. 2 quarter means half. So when your big hand, that is your minute hand, from 12 it takes a place and comes half place. See, this is full circle, half circle. It has covered half circle. That's why we say it half past 2. Clear? Half past 2 means 2:30. So another name you can say no, 2:30 also you can say, or you can say it is half past 2. So we say no 2:30, or in Bengali we say araita baje, or in 2:30 baj gaya, like this we say no 2:30 baj gaya, 2:30 bhi bolte hain, or we can say 2:30 baj gaya. So we can say in 2 way, 2:30 we can say, or we can say half past 2. And suppose it is in 9 now, that time we say pone 2. Pone 2 means 1:45. 1:45 means after 15 minutes it will be 2 o'clock. Pone 2 baje means pone 2 baj gaya. Pone 2 baj gaya means what? 15 minutes ke baad your time will be 2. After 15 minutes means you wait for 15 minutes, then your time will be 2. So 15 minutes baad your time will be 2. So 15 minutes baad jo hota hai na, we say it as quarter to. We don't say 15 minutes baad aapka time hoga 2. We say it pone 2 baj gaya. Pone 2 baj gaya means your time is 15 minutes left. We say in English quarter to 2. That means 1:45. 1:45. We say it 1:45. 1:45. If we don't say, we say it pone 2, or we say pone 2, or we say quarter to 2. In Bengali we say pone 2 baje, or Hindi we say pone 2 baj gaya, or we can say quarter to 2. So 1:45 and this 1:15. 15 means quarter past, 45 means quarter to. Clear? See, both the sides 15 minutes are left. This side also 15, this side also 15. 5:55, 5:55. Clear? So that's why we say it in this way.
Ma'am, 6:45.
Very good. 6:45, or you can say in words what? This side what you will say? 15 minutes is left. So what you will say? Quarter?
Quarter 5.
Quarter to? Quarter
2.
quarter to 7. The next number you have to say, okay? 6:45 minutes. 6:45 means 15:45, no, here. So 15 minutes is left. Quarter means 15 minutes. Means 15 minutes, ना 15 minutes के बाद ये जो small hand है 7 में आ जाएगा. It will be 7. So quarter to 7. That means after 15 minutes के बाद time हो जाएगा 7. So 6:45 you can say quarter to 7. 15 minutes के बाद तुम्हारा time 7 हो जाएगा, okay? So your time will become 7 after 15 minutes. Yeah? And if the
Okay, ma'am.
if this big hand is at 3, so you can say this one, you take the before number, that is 6:15, or you can say quarter past 15. Quarter past, sorry, not 15, quarter past 6. Quarter past 6. That means 15 minute हो चुका. Past means खत्म, finish. 15 minute finish. किस टाइम से? 6 बज के. 6 बज गया था इधर पे. 6 बजने के बाद 15 मिनट finish. So we say 6:15. मतलब 15 minutes cover हो चुका है. That time we don't write the after number. Okay. We write quarter past 6. We don't write quarter past 7. We write quarter past 6. Clear? We write quarter past 6. But we are writing quarter 2.
ma'am.
When we write quarter 2, that time while writing time, बीच वाला में 6 के and 7 के बीच में है. Okay. लिखने के टाइम पे हम लोग before लिखते हैं. We write the before number. Okay. हम लोग प्रत्यक्ष नंबर टा लिखेंगे. Whenever the quarter का part आता है ना, whenever we are writing for quarter, that time we write the after number, that is 7, not 6. Okay. Quarter जब लिखते हैं ना, हम लोग quarter लिखते हैं, we write the after number. But quarter past में we write the before number. Before number. Quarter past, quarter two में we write the after number. Clear? So one more example, then I will go to the next part. And then conversion, to convert hour to minute, minute to second, I will make one video and I will just upload it. You all can check how to convert hour to minute, minute to second. Those things you can see. Now I will show you how to write AM and PM. What is AM and what is, you know, when our clock has 20, it's a 24-hour clock. Okay, it's a 24-hour clock. How we will understand 24-hour clock? At night 12, our time starts at 12. Okay, so night 12. Now it is what? Now it is, our time is now 7:45. So it is 7:45 means pone 8. We can say now the time is 7:45. That means it is 7:45. Right now the time is 7:45. मतलब 15 मिनट के बाद हम लोग का टाइम हो जाएगा 8. So now the time is 7:45. Okay. So when it will become 9, 10, like this 12. So from 12 at night 12, our time will start at 00. That is AM. Okay. So night 12, our time will become 00. That is AM, and it will be AM till how much? दोपहर तक it will be AM. So this one is 12, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. कल दोपहर को बजेगा ना, कल दोपहर को 12 बजेगा. After that it will become PM. दोपहर को PM. Right now the time is 7:45 PM. Clear? So when it is PM, from night 12 to afternoon 12, our time is AM. Now after 12 at the afternoon time, so what's your time now? 12, then 12 you will say 13, then 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. And these all are PM. So we say, no, if you want to write in hours, so 16 hours means what? 16 hours means what? When you write 16 hours, that means your time is 4 PM. 4 को 16 हो जाता है कैसे? 12 के बाद ना, जब 1 बजता है ना, 1 PM, 1 PM का मतलब होता है 13 hours. So 13 hours you can write down as 1 PM. 13 hours means 1 PM. So if I give you, now suppose 19 hours, I will give you now 19 hours. So how you will see? You will count and write. One shortcut I will show you. 19 hours means if I tell you writing time, time पे लिखो. What is the time now? 19 hours. 19 hours means what? So minus 12 you do, that is 7 p.m. Minus 12 you have to do. Okay, 7 p.m. So you will get few sums on this. So let's start few sums on this. Are you ready with this for the sums? So if I say,
Yes, ma'am.
orally you do, orally. Okay, suppose I say the time is 7 in the morning. So will it be AM or PM?
7 a.m.
7 a.m.
7 a.m.
Yes, and if I say 7 in the evening,
7 p.m.
7 p.m.
very good. Now, if I say 16 hours, 16 hours equals to what is the time?
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes, you will minus 12. Minus 12 you do. So 16 minus 12, that is 4. That means 4 what? AM or PM?
p.m.
PM. Don't
PM.
that, okay? Whenever I will give more than 12, no timing. Whenever the time will be more than 12, that time you do PM. Because from night 12 to afternoon, your time is AM. But from afternoon 12 to night 12, your time is what? PM. So right now, if I tell, now it is 8 PM. And if I tell you write in hours, so what you will write? 8 plus 12 you do. So 8 plus 12 is how much? 20. That means 20 hours. Now is 20 hours. Okay. The time is 20 hours. So for hours to, if you want to convert, no, for hours to time, what you will do? Hours to time means you have to, hours to, suppose you have to write in time. So you will do what? Minus 12. And the time is given, suppose time is given and you have to convert into hour. So what we will do? Plus 12. Vivan, I think it will be tough for you because these are for higher classes. Okay, you just learn Vivan how to see the time, and quarter to quarter past. That much is for you. You just learn. And what is AM PM? AM means रात के 12 बजे से दोपहर को 12 बजे तक. The AM, night 12 p.m. to afternoon 12 p.m. the time will be AM, and from afternoon 12 to night 12 दोपहर के 12 बजे से 12 बजे तक you will say the time as PM. Whatever time you have seen how to say the time, you have learned how to say the time, you know the 5 tables now, and the small hand, the small hand is between two numbers, so you will take the before number. So if I say you the small hand is between 2 and 3 and the big hand is at 8, so you know the time will be 2 and 5 into 8 is 40, 240. Yeah? So you have understood how to see the time, so you can say the time. I hope everybody can see the time right now.
7:50 now.
Yeah, you all can say the time. No, you all can say the time, but there are many ways of telling the time. So quarter to, quarter past, half past, this all thing, please learn it. Okay, because these are very much important when you are saying quarter past. When 15 minutes finish, 15 minutes হয়ে গেছে, তখন তোমরা quarter past. And quarter to means যখন 15 মিনিট বাকি আছে, जब 15 মিনিট বাকি है, next time बजने में. That time, whenever we write quarter to, we have to write down the after number. Suppose the small hand is between 6 and 7. So 6 and 7, like this, you write 8, 7 and 8, suppose. Small hand is between 7 and 8. Quarter past अगर लिखना है, that time तुम क्या लिखोगे? Quarter to 8 लिखोगे, क्योंकि 8 बजने वाला है. But the time will be 7:45. 7:45 माने ही होलो 15 मिनट्स बाकी আছে 8 बजते. 8 बजने में 15 मिनट बाकी है. क्या? That means 15 minutes is left. That time we use quarter to. Now let me show you few sums. And this conversions, you will get hour to minute to second. As we have learned that 1 hour equals to 60 minutes and 1 minute equals to 60 seconds. So we have sums also for this, and sums I have done one video. You can see that, and you can see the conversion. Okay, how to convert that all things. But then today we will just do PM and AM. So now if I tell you, let me give you some sums. For example, 2:20 midnight. 2:20 midnight. So what you will write down, AM or PM?
AM.
Yes. Who said this one?
Ma'am, I am Rudrakshi.
Very good. AM, because at 12 रात को 12 बजे AM हो जाता है ना. So midnight means दोपहर के 12 बजे तक it will be AM. So your time is 2:20 AM. Yeah. Now if I say 11:27 night.
PM.
Yes. 11:27. That's all for today. You understood, no? PM, AM. Today our target was PM, AM, quarter to, quarter past, hour hand, small hand, and how to see the time. Clear? And sums, this all sums. I will do one more video and I will show you. And if you want any more extra class on time, you just write down on our online class WhatsApp group. Then I will take one more class. Okay? Diyan, okay? So just remember this thing. You see the time whenever you are using quarter to, that means quarter to means you have to write down the after number, foreign number, बाद वाला number. अगर small hand 6 and 7 के बीच में है, so you will write down quarter to 7. Quarter to जब लिखोगे, but quarter past जब लिखोगे, तब क्या लिखोगे? अगर 6 and 7 के बीच में है, so you will write down 6. Past के time पे you will write down 6. Half past के time पे also you will write down 6. Only quarter to के time पे you will write down 7. So don't forget this quarter to, quarter past and half past. This is very important. Okay. And the converting part and all, I will make one video and I will show you. And one more class I will bring for you all. Okay, online class. Because time is not so easy. You will not finish in one online class. You need 2-3 classes. Like Abacus also, I will bring one more class to do revision of small friend, full thing. So you can brush up there, okay, small friend. And this time also I will bring one more class because one class is not enough for you all. Clear? So take care everyone. Bye.